it's Morgan with WTI.
If you know me, you know I love the Sally Hansen Insta Dry collection, and I think I might have found my new favorite color. This is so gorgeous. It's called Conjure Copper, and I love the Insta Dry collection because it goes on in one swipe and it dries in 60 seconds, which is amazing. If you need a quick manicure or you're on the go, this stuff is the best. It is so great, again, because it just goes on so easily and all the color options are gorgeous. And I really, really love this one. I like it a lot because you can do just one coat like I have here, and that is beautiful. It is like this subtle, glittery copper color. I just think it is so cute. It even has like a little pink tone to it. It is so beautiful. But if you want to add a second coat as well, it really starts to shine. And again, you can apply that as quick as 60 seconds after your first one because it dries so quickly. The brush is fantastic. It's beautiful. It's just so great. I absolutely love it.
I love this nail polish, and that's my point of view.